is Nhyll Bryant Molina. His friends call him Astro Boy. He is from Manaoag, Pangasinan. He was born on September 29, 1997. Son of Mr. Nelson R. Molina and Mrs. Brenda P. Molina. His ambition in life is to become a scientist. He believes in saying, turn your theory into fire. When you fight, you must fight. With desire, because nobody can coach desire.
Next, we have contestant number 2, Mr. Arvin Tulio Tamundo. He is the son of Mr. Bonifacio Tamundo and Mrs. Ardita Tamundo. He was born on June 11, 1996 at Cabanbanan, Manaoag, Pangasinan. His friends used to call her R. Puja. He believes the saying that the joy of 1,000 smiles starts with a single step. Ador R. Pasqua and Susan R. Pasqua. His friends used to call her Mom. He believes in the saying that hard work makes easy, but laziness